Aditya Kumar Mandi was born in 1974 in Barakutu village of Bakura, district of West Bengal. Besides Santali, he knows Bengali, Hindi and English. He works with Central Industrial Security Force. His first poem titled Hamdo Akhai Kanam was published in Evam Sakwa, a literary and cultural journal in February 1995. He has also contributed to literary journals like Sili, Chitti Sakam, Jumit Tare, Lahanti, GB, Chacho, Panchim Bengal, etc. He is also associated with literary and cultural organizations like Aiswa, Agri Gauntha, and Bharat Jagat Santali Patua Gauntha. Some of his important works include Ipil, Akil Aha, Ali Aturi, Sipahi, Lagu Baru Kanta Bare, all poetry collections, Panchat Daha, Sores, Sirjon Se Janam Ayo, Sereng Akhare, Kerwal, Kopan, all collection of essays, etc. Recipient of Poet of the Year by Aiswa in 2000, Sarva Sakam by Akri Gauntha, Visramunda Award in 2010, Ramdas Tudu Reksha Award in 2010, Mansakam Siropa from Sareng Kerwal Gauntha 2010, and Yuva Puraskar from Bharatiya Bhasha Parishad in 2011. Pancho Ladai, the collection of poems in Sansali by Aditya Kumar Mandi, confronts the socio-economic reality of Sansal people. The poet's command over the poetry idiom and his powerful use of paradoxical imagery and ideas makes it a fine collection of poems. As such, it is considered a significant work in the field of Indian poetry.